Hello from Fanta Beach, new video. Today is a bit shorter video because nobody watch my videos longer than 3 minutes. I will try to be as short as possible. Today we'll talk about this little device. You see it on the screen as well. Everything recorded with my mobile phone, so a bit shaking. It's not possible to record this all with fixed cameras and so on. You see this on eBay, 10 euros. It claims that it's HiFi digital amplifier board equipped with 2 TPA3116 integrated circuit to provide 2 channels with 100 watts each. In my case, that specification go for speakers of 4 ohms. However, my speakers are self-built, DIY built, 80 watts, high fidelity, 8 ohms impedance speakers, 2 of them, as you can see, unfinished yet, but they can provide sound at this moment very nicely. You will hear. So let's get started. Of course I will power it with my bench power supply, which is set to 23 volts, 10 amperes maximum at the moment. It's quite enough for this amplifier, no more. So let's to mention, USB drive have to be formatted as FAT32 file system, because no other file system will be recognized but this device. I tried, only FAT32 file system working. So let's power it on. There we go. Blue light is there. It needs like 15 seconds to set up, and you need to keep pressing this big button until it starts flashing. Now it will read what it have. Yep, it started. Let's, yeah, it's very loud. I don't know how much mobile phone can record it and present it, how loud it is, but believe me, it's very loud. And finally, it is full royalty-free music, so I don't care. I can play it longer. You know, I was complaining all the time about I'm not sure is it royalty-free and will they flag me. Now keep listening until bus comes. Very clear sound. Now I feel it so deep in my stomach. That is what I wanted to show you. That is what I wanted to show you. It sounds perfectly clean and powerful. I don't know, but I fully recommend this little device. You will be satisfied with it. That is what I wanted to show you today. Of course, this seller claimed that it will come like in 10 days. To me, it needed 1 month to come, so I refunded it because it didn't came. I got it for free. That is honestly, I don't know if it is fair, but you can find it cheaper on eBay if you surf for it, for some seller which will claim that it will come to you in 30-60 days like usual, and it will be few dollars, few euros cheaper, but this attracted me with speed delivery, and it didn't come to me in period they claimed that it will, so I opened the case and got my refund back. Thank you for watching and stay with me for next video. Till then, stay creative and enjoy summer.